Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/18 Diecast model of 2015 Toyota Highlander by Paudi model. So if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. You can buy this model from ebay.com for nearly $90, and I have already unboxed a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. So if you want to see that video, you can click the top right corner. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.